Hey friends, it's Janet from Affirmation Threads, and I just wrapped up my very first Christmas vendor market. It was so cool. It was definitely an experience. I have vended before, but not for my own items. Having your own handmade items that you're vending is a totally different experience. One of my favorite moments was just really connecting with people that walked right up and that recognized me online. I had one supporter online come by and say the secret word, and they received their special thank you gift. Thank you for following me on social media. It pays to follow. It was so cool to give them the gift. I did make sales, $428 in sales. Plus, I received some custom sweatshirt and t-shirt orders. That is so cool. That was my hero display, and it really pulled people in. I showcased an upstyled sweatshirt with coordinating sleeves and a matching beanie, as well as a t-shirt coordinating sleeves and a matching beanie. And it really stopped people in their tracks. They stopped to ask questions. Once again, so cool. Also, having my iPad for checkout using Square made the whole process so smooth. It really kept things moving and it made it easy for people to place their orders right there and for me to check them out, as well as my sister as my helper. The hospital gave us meal vouchers for their cafe, which was such a cool gesture since everything was in the hospital. They gifted us with the meal vouchers and the food was delicious. Gave us a little break during our 7-hour day of vending. Makes for a long day, but having a lunch that's provided for you is just, it's icing on the cake. Now that the market is over, I'm shifting my gears back to my November mission, knitting at 9. Every day this month, I'm creating and donating handmade beanies, neck warmers, and headbands to cancer patients. I'm all choked up over this because it really warms my heart, the whole mission. You can sponsor one of these items or multiple items right now. You can tap the fundraiser link in my story or post. Your donation goes straight to the American Cancer Society, and I'll just do the rest. I'll create the beanie and do the donation. Let's keep the momentum going. Thank you for supporting handmade items with heart and helping me craft with purpose, because that's what Affirmation Threads is all about, crafting with purpose and love. We're knitting another one. Go ahead and donate and sponsor a beanie.